Hi everyone, welcome back to Career Scholar. Hope everyone is doing great. Today we will be talking on the top career options for women, the female folk of our society. I've come across many clients who have been always asking me that what are the professions that a woman should get into so that she can, be the supreme power in that domain. Right? So today we will be discussing certain job profiles, okay, rather career options that are best for women. As it is, everything a woman can do, okay, so it is not going to be a biased video. Fine, I want to make it a very clear statement before we start the video. So I'm not telling you that a woman cannot do this or cannot do that, but these are the picked chosen careers which, according to my experience and my knowledge, I feel that if a woman is here, she can empower the entire world. Okay. So the first and the foremost career which I feel that a woman should get into is becoming an entrepreneur. A woman goes through numerous phases in her life. Okay. Professional, personal, psychological, social, financial. And to become an owner of an enterprise or to become an entrepreneur, you should have all the qualities. Okay? So I feel strongly, not being a woman, I'm telling you this, but yes, a woman can be one of the best entrepreneurs. And we have also seen, that woman can, take wise decisions. Okay, fine. So as she goes through so many things in her life, in her personal as well as her professional life, and she can, equalizing everything. Okay, she can give you the best out of anything. Fine. So entrepreneurship or becoming an entrepreneur is the first option that I personally feel that a woman should get into. Now the second profession is teaching. No matter, what is the phase, what is the era going on, every time we feel so connected with our teachers, okay, if they are female. They can understand our issues, they can understand our problem, and we can get, nicely gel up with the teachers. And I always feel, a woman can explain something in a very better manner. So it is nothing like that I'm anti-male, okay, but I feel, that maximum of the places, teaching is something which has become a guideline for women folk. Okay. So teaching, yes, definitely yes. And for mothers also, we rely more on female teachers. Okay? We have more trust on them. Right? Now the third profession is content writing. These days, whether you are sitting at home or you want to work for 9 to 5 job, or you want to take a break from your regular office, content writing has become the rather the best profession, you can say, most demanded profession, where you have versatility of skills and you are paid according to rather your expertise. So content writing is something which is I will not say it is fully dominant by female folk, but yes, women can be better content writers. They can express their feelings in a better form. They can use all those jargons and bombastic English words, and they can express their feelings in the perfect manner that I feel. Now, the next profession is fashion designing or interior designing. Fashion designing. Girls are crazy about fashion. Okay? Today it is, green color is in vogue. Okay? You will find green everywhere. So, as you are so much acquainted with the profession, you love to do whatever is, integrated in that domain. So, for you, work becomes fun. Work becomes enjoyment. Okay? So, definitely, if you have interest in that work, you will definitely get ahead and do that work in particular. Then the next profession is lawyer. Earlier, when I was in my college, rather in my higher school, we always had that thing, back end of our mind that no, male can be, people can become excellent lawyers. So this is something for male people. But nowadays, it has changed a lot. Criminal law, civil law, you can become a company secretaryship. You can do so many things which relates all the legalities. Okay. So through lawyer, I don't mean that typical people, who are wearing their black and white coat. Fine. So if you are someone who are legally focused, okay, who want to do something out of the box. So lawyer is also a profession which can be nicely adopted by a female person, and they can definitely pursue their career into this. Okay. Now the next one is journalism. Everywhere we are finding female journalists, and it makes me feel so proud, that come on, like it is not that era anymore that everyone we will every profession we will be seeing that male person handling the mic, no matter whatever is going on, no matter it is an event of happiness or sadness or crime or disaster, we find female journalists everywhere. So that is so beautiful. So if you are someone who wants to come out of your shell, okay, who wants to be a person who wants to be very close to live events, okay, someone who has the power, someone who has the courage to face everything, why not just move ahead and get into journalism? It is there for you. So you are going to rock it if you be a part of it. Okay. Now the next profession we are talking about is a serious one rather. It is IPS officer. You can say regarding IPS officer, I have been become more focused because of Kiran Bedi ma'am. But still I feel any profession which belongs to one-to-one connection. Okay, it is really very important that you get acquainted with it by or through a female candidate. So as the entire IPS community takes into accountability, I strongly feel that a woman can be a good responsible police officer. So why not IPS? Right. Now the last but not the least in the list is counselor, a psychologist. I've been into the counseling industry from such a long period. I feel that easily clients can understand what I want to say to them. It's not that if you are a male psychologist or a male counselor, you will not be having clients or people will not be satisfied with you. But I feel that women can empathize as well as sympathize a position of a person's life in a better form. Okay. So this was all for today, my friends. Hope that you will be taking this video in the right manner and utilizing and analyzing your skills in the correct plethora so that you can choose the right career for yourself. Bye. Take care.